Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad dressing with lemon and olive oil. This simple guide will help you create a delicious and versatile dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemons, a good quality extra virgin olive oil, some salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Selecting the right ingredients is key to a fantastic dressing, so choose wisely for the best flavor. Now, let's talk about the perfect ratio for your dressing. A good rule of thumb is to use 3 parts extra virgin olive oil to 1 part fresh lemon juice. This balance creates a harmonious flavor that isn't too tart. Once you have your oil and juice, whisk them together vigorously in a small bowl until they are well emulsified. Finish by adding a pinch of salt and a few grinds of fresh black pepper to your liking. Want to elevate your dressing even further? Consider adding some flavor boosters. A small teaspoon of Dijon mustard can help emulsify the dressing and add a lovely tang. For a more aromatic profile, mince 1 clove of fresh garlic and whisk it in. You can also introduce a half teaspoon of dried herbs, such as oregano or thyme, to give your dressing a wonderful depth of flavor. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Once your delicious lemon and olive oil dressing is complete, proper storage is important. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh and flavorful for about 5 to 7 days. Before each use, give the dressing a good whisk or shake to re-emulsify the ingredients, as separation is natural. Enjoy your homemade dressing on salads, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.